Hey everyone, this is Renee. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a creative quickie on how I make faceted shapes in paper mache. First off, this is my sanding booth. If you want to know how to make one for yourself, there's a link right above there for my video demo of that. And I'm just going to start off by showing you my sanding booth. Inside, it's a little dusty. I need to dump that dust out and start over, but I'll find a few minutes to do that later. For starters, I have a completely dried ball of paper mache pulp that I made, and my tools, which are a palm sander and then a rotary sander that's corded and one that's cordless. I start off with my corded rotary Dremel sander, and I don't use math or measurements. I just eyeball it and follow where my eye says the plane should go. I can't describe it any better. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button because I'll be creating a lot of new content sharing techniques. Also hit the bell button for notifications so you don't miss any of that content. At this stage, I'm working on removing the curve to this ball and making flat planes and edges, and I just keep working until I clean those up and make crisp lines and flat planes. My palm sander really helps with this. If you're wondering if I have a certain number of flat planes that I'm creating every time I make these, the answer is no. Sometimes it's more. I don't have, like I said, I don't have a mathematical approach to this, and they don't always come out the same, but that's the beauty of it. So sanding a faceted piece about this size usually takes about 30 to 40 minutes, but if I'm sanding something smaller like a bead, obviously that's quicker and easier. Now let's start with a base coat, whatever color you like, and then I use a flat angle brush to easily paint the facets. I leave the edges bare, and then I can go back and touch those up if I like. Which brings us to the finished result. I know I've only scratched the surface with this technique, and there's so much more I can do with it, but thank you for watching, and I hope you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for more creative techniques.
By creating an imaginary